Okay, so whether I use screws, 2-inch quarter 20 screws, or I use the 1 3/4 rivets, doesn't matter right now. On this brace right here, the rivet doesn't go through the wood. It just goes through this bracket and the sheet metal here. So I need 2 of those. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 of those, because I cut those off when I was just cutting all the rivets off the front side here or back of the boat. So I'm going to go with the 3/16 rivet and see what we get, see if it holds good. I don't know if you can see that, but it's come through just a little bit. And of course, if I lean on the sheet metal, lean on the gun, lean on the anvil, everything should work according to plan. So we got that jammed up on there nice and tight. Get my anvil in there. Man, that jumped all over that, didn't it? Look at that. That ain't going anywhere. I believe we can make that happen. So let's try this again. No drilling required here. Gun on this rivet. Man, I don't know if y'all can see that or not. Let me take a look. But that jumped all over that. And mushroom nice and tight on it. Yeah, you can see that right there. That thing's not going anywhere. I'll go over here and give a pull on it. See, she's in there nice and tight. I'll get these other 2 done. And we'll go to get the transom set in there and see what we're going to do on it. Just back this thing back out just a little bit. Sweet. I like it. Solid. I wish I could remember that guy's name that showed me this. Because these tools, they run anywhere from $500, $600, $700, $1,500. I saw what looked like some really cheap ones for about $80, but if the normal ones are $500, $600 and up, I was afraid to even consider a cheap one. But we'll be able to use those on some other places. Let me just go ahead and stop this and we'll move forward and see what we're going to do. Got my transom here. It's already sat out in the rain just a little bit, so I know it's waterproof. Okay, in there right way, what do we do? Get over there. That's a nice fit, y'all. That's a nice fit. It don't even really feel too raised up right here. 1/16 of an inch maybe. But we got a cap to go over that. So the hard part on this thing is going to be drilling that hole through I may have a couple more rivets I got to put in there on this thing. Let me see. Things up high there. I don't remember why I had a rivet hole there. This thing had an extra piece of sheet metal back here, and I think that might be what I'm seeing there. Alright, we're going to drop her in and do something though. And again, drilling those holes. Hole on the sheet metal on the outside, hole on the sheet metal on the inside, and lining those 2 up might be the trick. We'll let you know how it goes. Well, how many of y'all noticed I didn't put any sealer on them 4 rivets I put in there? So, I'm going to grind them off or chisel them off, one of the two, and start over on those two, or those four. But I did want to show that I'm going to grind them out and start over. I don't guess any reason y'all have to watch all that. And I can't do a fast forward. I don't know how yet. That was sweet. Shove my thumb right in it. You know what that's going to do for me. Good morning.
Good night, mate.
I poked the hole through the bottom instead of the top. I already did this one time and I had to take them back out. I forgot to put the seal on. Solid like a rock, brother. Solid like a rock.
Figuring it out, are you?
Okay, quick update to show you what we got. Rivets are seated. But that third one down there, that one's got a nut on it. We couldn't get the anvil down in there. So that one's, come on, focus. Didn't want to focus. There it is. So there you go. So what we found, we put 2 rivets and 1 screw. Yeah, there they are, all 3 of them. So on this side, we went a little different. We went 3 screws and nuts. And we got them pretty tight. Matter of fact, we did a test on the pontoon transom. Sorry, lost for words. And we tightened till 1 broke. So these are tighter than rivets. And they're stainless steel, they're aircraft aluminum, I said steel, whatever, aircraft aluminum strength, so we're good to go. We feel like this is going to seal. We've got the Marine RTV adhesive sealing on them, and it's going to be as watertight as it ever was when it was made.